As cases of COVID-19 this week have seen a slow increase in infections, with the number of cases remaining at 70 as of Thursday, the Minister of Public Security, Ramjattan, speaking with Kaito Radio this week, said he has received reports from law enforcement authorities of persons continuing to cross into villages in Ghana's border regions.
There are people coming in to especially the Comaka and Baramita area from across the border from Venezuela. They're from Venezuela, and I must tell you that we had at least 42 of them yesterday attempting to come over the Comaka landing, and we had to tell them that the borders are closed, and all 42 had to be sent back across the border. We have had situations too where at Quarantine River, a number of backtrackers and still doing this nonsense, although you tell them that they should not be carrying people across.
Some quarantine backtrack boat operators, Minister Ramjattan added, have had their boats seized by the Suriname Law Enforcement Agency. He added that it is a difficult situation to monitor the vast border areas.
If they're going to allow themselves backtracking activities going across to, it could all harm us, and the security that we want to provide at the health level is going to be avoided and evaded by these breaches and violations.
This, the minister said, has been happening at border locations of Ghana's 3 neighboring countries, which is a serious public health matter. He called on citizens to report any instances of persons in breach of the current public health ordinances. In March, after the first discovery of the COVID-19 case in Guyana, the Ministry of Public Health began to implement measures with the aim of containing the virus. This included the closure of the country's main ports of entries and borders. The current closure of Ghana's borders is expected to run up until May 3, 2020. However, the Public Health Ministry may extend the date to keep the borders closed if the need arises. The country director of PAHO WHO, Dr. William Adequer, earlier in April, had warned that if these current social distancing guidelines are lifted too early, the country could see increased cases of COVID-19. For the HGP Nightly News, Colwyn Abrams.